Here we've got Hammer Iron 3, and let me show you how to update apps on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store, then click on the More icon, find and select My Apps and Games, and here under Updates you will be able to find all apps that can be updated. And you have two options. You can either update one particular application, so for example, if you want to update messages only, just tap on Update right next to its icon, and then it will be done. So at first it will be downloaded and then installed. And it has been done. Now you can find it at the bottom of the list. But you can also update all apps at once. Just click on Update All. And here it is. It will be done in the background. So that will be all. So you can update apps in your device in your Hammer Iron 3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.